Hey YouTube, we are at my parents' house and we're taking our sweet time and moving out. Going to transport these shelves here to put in our garage to help us organize. I got all the pieces into the car and we are back at the house going to move all of that stuff in the corner. We also want to remove this wood veneer paneling. The entire garage had it, but I've been slowly removing them. Let's get to work. I got all the wood veneer and thin construction plywood off. The the door trim kind of accidentally broke off with it. I have all of the pieces of shelving unloaded from the car. Let's get them built and put together again. I got the first layer done. I figured it's probably a good idea to put all the heavy stone, paint, car stuff on the bottom layer. This one will be probably for Craig tools and a charging station because the outlet's right there. Let's keep assembling. Going to end the video here. Got car tools down here, the new Craig tools there with a battery charging station, storage, more storage. We have a few more big bins like that at my parents', so I need to bring those over. There's space there. 2 up top. Video 49 done. Hey YouTube, we are very slowly moving out of my parents' house. Going to take these 2 shelves back to our garage and help organize stuff. That was terrible.